Hi, classmates. I am Coach Maya, and I am here once again to teach you the ins and outs of freelancing. Today, I'm going to share with you kung paano mag-change ng profile picture, job title, and profile description sa onlinejobs.ph. So, if you're ready to learn how to do this, let's get started. In our previous video about onlinejobs.ph, maraming nagtatanong sa inyo kung paano i-edit yung picture and other parts ng profile since naiba na nga yung settings nila and disable na yung option to edit. So I did my own research and ito yung na-discover ko na way to enable the edit option. So ayan guys, ang way daw para ma-change natin yung profile picture and yung ating title or even yung name natin sa onlinejobs.ph is by contacting yung email support ni onlinejobs.ph. So ito yung kanilang email address. Take note of this na lang guys ha. support@onlinejobs.ph. Tapos i-email mo sila. Ito yung email ko sa kanila. So I said, hi, can you please walk me through the process of changing my profile picture? And then sabi ko lang, thank you. And then nag-reply naman sila agad after a few minutes. So ang sabi nila, thank you for your email. We have disabled editing of accounts when a profile has already been approved. So ayun guys, pag na-approve na tayo, dinidisable na nila yung editing, siguro for security purposes, kasi siguro merong mga nag-iiba ng identity pagkatapos ma-approve yung profile. So, ayun yung pinaprevent ni onlinejobs.ph. So, sabi pa nila dito, so you can't edit it unless it is absolutely necessary or you get permission for it to be edited. So, ayun, nag-reply ulit ako. So, how do I get permission in case I really need to change it? Sabi nila, in-enable na daw nila yung pag-edit ng profile ko. So, you're gonna update your profile picture. Please take note that doing so will make your account unverified. So, ayan, nag-thank you lang ako. And then, ito na yung itsura ng profile ko. So, pag nag-hover ako dyan, naka-enable na yung update profile picture. However, may warning na nakalagay, your account will become unverified again pag change ko yung profile picture. So, keep in mind guys, pagka binago nyo yung photo nyo dito, halimbawa hindi nyo talaga gusto, yung unang profile picture na nilagay ninyo, ay magiging unverified ulit kayo. Itong verified, mawawala siya, tapos bababa yung ID proof ninyo. Consider lang natin yung factors na yon kasi medyo mahirap magpa-approve. At saka, it takes time. Kung kailangan nyo yung profile nyo, I suggest na okay na yung profile ninyo, wag nyo nang baguhin. Pero kung kailangan talaga, kailangan nyo baguhin itong title ninyo, and then yung name, and then yung picture, then mag-push through na lang kayo doon sa verification again, and complete nyo lang yung mga requirements. Make sure na lang lahat ng details ng inyong profile ay kompleto na and then satisfied na kayo sa lahat ng nailagay ninyo sa inyong profile para kung sakali man na submit natin siya and ma-approve again, ay hindi na natin siya kailangang i-edit ulit. So again, ang best practices dito sa pag-i-edit ng profile or pag-optimize ng onlinejobs.ph profile ninyo ay syempre dapat buo yung pangalan natin dyan. And then, yung kung ano mismo yung gusto nating makuhang job, yun yung ilalagay natin sa title. So, ako nilagay ko writer, ebook, and web designer kasi yan yung focus ko ngayon. So, kayo, pagka halimbawa, VA gusto nyong maging, pwedeng admin support specialist or general virtual assistant, depende sa inyo kung ano yung niche na napili ninyo. And then sa overview, lagay nyo lang dyan kung ano yung desired rate nyo per month. And then yung degree, tapos yung profile description ninyo, make sure na nakalagay dyan yung mga best asset ninyo, mga service na ino-offer ninyo, and then yung mga tools na nagamit nyo in the past. Very important kasi na searchable yung ating profile. Kasi pag hindi searchable ang ating profile ay less yung chances natin na makita search results and ma-hire ng mga clients. Tapos dito sa top skills, yung pinaka-low natin na rating sa sarili natin ay 3 stars. Kasi pag 2 stars, ibig sabihin hindi naman tayo magaling na sa skill na yon and it doesn't make sense na i-add pa natin siya dito sa ating profile. So, ayun lang guys. I hope na naliwanagan yung mga nagtanong sa atin and may natutunan kayo dito sa ating quick tutorial. So, ayun lang guys. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you on my next tutorial. Ayun, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe dito sa Stellar Freelancing Academy para updated kayo sa mga tutorials and courses na i-upload namin every now and then. So, ayun lang guys. Happy freelancing!